Hello, did you know your PasswordLab app has client software for Windows, Mac, and Linux desktops? In today's short video, we will learn how to install PasswordLab client software on a Linux-based desktop computer. First, let's open the PasswordLab web app in the Chrome browser. Make sure you are opening the web app in Chrome browser. Also, remember that your web app address may differ depending on your installation. Once the web app is open, we will click on this tiny icon. This will show us the installation confirmation pop-up. Let's click Install. Once we do, we will see the desktop software running before us. If we go to the desktop, we can also see the PasswordLab software icon. Now, we have one more way of accessing our credentials, and we no longer need to remember our PasswordLab address. I hope you enjoyed our installation walkthrough. You can check out our doc for more detailed instructions. See you in the next video.